Megan, and today this is our first time starting the Christmas crafts. We've chosen to use leaves from the ground for our natural crafts.
The leaves are dried, ready for making gift packs. Let's go see what the group's up to. Okay, what are you doing?
Well, basically I'm making a Christmas card thing. I've just stuck some stuff on, and I'm going to trim the leaves a wee bit, and then I'm going to punch a hole and put a ribbon in it like this one.
Everyone.
Let's go Seafield!
Hi, we're back in the woods and we're gonna go and see people dipping pine cones into wax. Oh, wow, look at all these pine cones. They look amazing.
Well, we've got the fire going here and we're melting some wax into these old cans, ready for the pine cones to be dipped.
Now we just put some little spices into melted one, and now we're just dipping it in, letting the stuff drizzle and putting it down to make it dry.
When they're dry, we're filling them in the bags, and then when they've got 8 in the bags, and we put some spices in it, so it smells really nice.
Yeah, we put cinnamon and Christmas spice in it. Hi, we're back in the woods, and instead of using natural stuff from the floor, we will be melting lard and mixing it in with bird seed and making bird feeders. Oh, hi. I'm just making like circles like this one, and then we're going to get some melted wool and put the load in them, and then we're going to be putting them on some paper and putting them in a box. What are you stirring?
The bird food that they're going to get.
And what are you going to be using it for?
To give to the birds.
What are you doing? We're putting bird seed into the thing. Here is our finished bird feeder. This week we're back in Coral Woods, and we're going to be using birch to make some Christmas crafts. And I know that this is a pine tree, and that's a birch tree. Right now we just made some sparkly pine cones, and now we're just about to hang them on this lovely sticker tree. Ta-da! Wow, and this is a finishing touch.
Now our group's made a fire, and we are picking up some of the charcoal that we had that were burned.
We've burned, you mean? I'm using some charcoal, and I just drew, and we got some stencils, and we just drew some stars or Christmas trees with charcoal, and now I'm just going to decorate it with glitter pens.
I got a gold screw, and then I took a piece of green wool. I got scissors, I cut a long piece, and then I tied it at the top here so it could hang.
Hold on to the green.
Wow!
These are our nature products. These are all the finished ones that we made.